안녕하세요. Hi, hello, everyone. Today, I'm gonna talk about what is the best textbook to start learning Korean language. Okay, let's start. Okay, yeah, first one, Sejong Korean. If you just start learning the Korean language, probably you wouldn't know how to read and speak and write the Korean alphabet, which is Hangul. So this textbook included great audio files of how to speak each Korean alphabet with a work with so good as well. When I also teach Korean to very beginners, I usually start with this to teach from scratch. You can buy this on Amazon, or if not possible in your area, you can view this on the official website. Yeah, I will share this on my description. Okay. Second one is Korean grammar in use. Many Korean textbooks also include grammar parts, but if you want to know Korean structure more deeply and but also specific grammar or of a sudden, then you might need to reach out to grammar books. This could be your grammar dictionary for all learners. Korean grammar in use has beginner, intermediate, advanced versions. So you can just easily search this on Google and then see what's included in the grammar in use. Okay. Third one, Sejong Korean Conversation. I really like this textbook. If you know how to read the Korean alphabet, but also Korean words, then you can move forward to this book. I mean, whenever you finish Sejong Korean, the first one I recommended, you can open this book. Yeah, this book is so amazing. You can practice Korean with various pictures, workbooks, audio files. It is made really easy to understand, and especially the practicing part is awesome. So even though you consider yourself intermediate, you should check your level with this book at least once. You can buy this on Amazon, or if not possible in your area again, you can view this on the official website. Just viewing, yeah, not kind of PDF file. Yeah. Okay. And the first one, Talk to Me in Korean. This is very famous one, right? This is not included various pictures, but you can read it as a Korean book. I mean, as not a textbook, yeah. It is written spoken way, not written way, so you can easily understand what they mean and how to approach each Korean grammar with it. Also, you can buy a workbook as well, depending on your level. Then also the graphic design on the cover book is so amazing. Yeah, so I like that. Yeah. Fifth one, 2000 essential Korean words. If you need a vocabulary dictionary, then it is a perfect choice. Actually, in Sejong Korean and Sejong Korean Conversation, they offer us vocabulary parts, so we don't need any additional book. But if you're a passionate learner who wants to study as much as you can, this book is also great for finding essential vocabulary. It is indexed with specific topics, for example, health, education, person life, yeah, etc. So in this way, you can learn group vocabulary based on topic. Yeah. Also, if it is a bit hard for you to purchase some textbook for some reason, you can study Korean with the Sejong website. I will share this with you all on my description, okay? Alright, those were today's tip for what is the best textbook to start learning Korean language. Uh, for all starters, yeah, and beginners, and also intermediate as well. Yeah, I hope it is helped to you all, and don't forget to subscribe and like and save the video. If there is any question about this, feel free to comment below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching it. I'll see you soon. 감사합니다.